It's quite easy to merge a CSV file with a shapefile. I have a polygon shapefile in my example. The only attribute is a column called number from 1 to 12. My CSV file looks like this. A column to join it to the shapefile and 2 more random columns with random data. The name of the join column doesn't need to be the same. Add a delimited text, but only the attribute table. Choose your delimiter and all the other options and click on Add. Open up the layer properties and go to Join. Click on the plus, choose the right layer and the field to join in the CSV file and the target file in the shapefile. I leave the preset options untouched. It's possible to look at the settings of all your joined files. Now you can look at the joined attribute table, but you cannot edit them. To edit the attributes, export the joined layer.